Good morning and welcome to the 10 a.m. daily weather brief. As we look ahead to the next 7 days to come here, Wednesday, tomorrow is going to bring some clearing skies and warming temperature as we see a low exit off to the northeast and high pressure building in from the west. We'll also see that upper level ridge continue to push towards the east. Our highs are going to be expected to reach the upper 40s, potentially into the low 50s, with areas west of the Chesapeake Bay likely seeing slightly warmer temperatures tomorrow. And then by Wednesday night, that cold air is going to begin working its way back in. We'll have stronger cold air advecting into the area, and temperatures are going to then drop 5 to 10 degrees below average across the state, and we'll see those dry conditions that we have today persisting as high pressure continues to move in overhead. And then as we move into the weekend ahead, on Saturday, dry conditions once again looking to hang around thanks to that area of high pressure moving in. And then for the high temperatures of the day, they do look to climb back into the upper 40s and possibly even warmer, especially if we see that clouds are slow to develop ahead of an approaching system. And we can reference the graphic here on the left as we see an area of low pressure that is expected to track into the region and bring in that cloudiness and also some widespread rainfall on Sunday into Monday, with those rain totals looking to be the highest in areas south of the local area. We're more likely to see rain than not, and continuing to support the idea as far as guidance goes that we will be above freezing, so it will be an event, at least locally, in the form of rain. And then following that system, we'll see that low starts to pull off of the coast to the northeast on Monday, and those are going to taper those rain chances and bring in clearing skies once again as we move into Tuesday, along with warming temperatures to be what as of currently looks to be a few degrees above seasonal averages, and that will start off our next week ahead with high pressure then moving from the central portion of the country, which we can see in the top right there. That high pressure is going to lag in behind that low and keep us dry to start the next week ahead. Now taking a look at the 24 hours ahead, expecting these clouds to continue trending downwards and overall coverage clearing out by the end of the working hours today and into the early overnight hours. And we'll see that cold front approaching, as mentioned in the morning brief, that cold front moving in those early pre-dawn hours, moving through will increase cloudiness, bring in some slight rain chances, and the chance to see some lowered ceilings. And for our temperatures today, started out around freezing at 8 o'clock and expected to climb into the mid-40s, with winds staying rather consistent throughout the day before they begin to trend upwards, with some gusts as that front moves through and pushes off the coast. As for the short-term forecast on Wednesday, well, really for the next 2 days, expecting breezy conditions to persist once they build in. Clouds early on Wednesday and then clearing, becoming partly cloudy with a high around 50, and the chance of those lowered ceilings lingering into that 8 a.m. period tomorrow. Wednesday night, partly cloudy and breezy, low around 30, and then Thursday, partly to mostly cloudy and again breezy with a high around 40. And for the 7-day forecast ahead, seeing partly to mostly cloudy conditions today, chance of rain tonight, with the warmest day of the week ahead being tomorrow. That cold air then moves back and drops the temperatures to around 40 for Thursday and Friday with clearing skies. And then on Saturday, we'll start to see that cloud cover build in with the approaching low, which arrives on Sunday and into Monday, bringing those rain chances as well as some elevated temperatures just above average. And generally for the week ahead, we do remain dry, aside from those slight chances tonight and the weekend rainstorm. And that is going to conclude the 7-day outlook for the week ahead. Be back tomorrow for the daily weather operations brief. Hope everyone has a wonderful day.